Hi y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. This is Amber, this is me, and I have something to show you guys I got from Etsy. I've been waiting a long time for this. I'm so excited. I'm pretty sure this is from them. Yes. Okay, let's see. Okay. So, ooh guys, what did I get? So it says thank you for your purchase. If there's a problem with your order, contact us before leaving book. Best resolve it for you. You can get signed prints by Myka Jelena, much more. Original paintings, jewelry, trinket boxes, bookmarks, ID holders, scrolls, and more. This is her Etsy shop, y'all. This is her Facebook. So you guys can go ahead and I'll link that too. But you can go ahead and pause and take down this information if you want to. Thank you, love. Okay, let's get into this. There's two sides, y'all. I know, I went crazy. I'm a crazy person. So, we got this one. Ooh, she's a pretty one. Whoops. Oh, that wasn't very good, Amber. So these are your ID card holders. I forget what this one's called. But isn't she pretty? Oh, she's lovely. I love her. I can't wait till they make all these diamond paintings, y'all. She's gorgeous. Okay. Let me try and open them without ruining them. I wish it would tell me what they are. Like the names of them. Get out of this container thing, please. Loosen up a little. Get out of there. Hold on, guys, while I struggle a little. Just trying to get it to come loose a little there, so then I don't ruin this bag to it. She's so cute. Okay, you guys, so we have her. Isn't she pretty? With all the different moons. Love her hair. Beautiful face. She's just gorgeous. Myka Jelena is a great artist. Okay. Oh, I love this one. Look at that owl. It's holding like a candle or something. A lamp. She's got lots of jewelry on. She's holding something. Looks like she's got like feathers right there. She's got a cool little thing right here. This one's really cool. I like this one. Maybe I should zoom you guys in a little more. There we go, that's better. I wish I knew all the names. She looks like she's got the like fairy ears and stuff. And fur. Okay, then we got this one, and she cute. She's got cherries, she's got the leopard print. She's got tattoos, a cherry necklace, she's got the swallows. They're holding cherries in their mouths. This one's so cute with the polka dots. Oh, Hope they make this into a painting. Hope they make all these into a painting soon. Love, like I said, I just love her work. She looks like a belly dancer of some sort. Look at all her tattoos and jewelry and all the purples. She's so pretty. Love her. Then we got this one. She's a beautiful fairy. She's got something that she's holding. Her little striped tights. So cute. Is that like some sort of goggles? Yep, those are like goggles on her head. She's got some feathers sticking out of it. She's really gorgeous. I like her. I like them all. And we got this cute one. And look at all them colors. She's an artist. Look at all her jewelry. Her hair, she's got dreads. Her scarf, it matches the right around here. And then all the colors. Beautiful jewelry. Hers are just always so colorful, and they've always got tattoos and jewelry and vibrant colors. So gorgeous. Ooh, and this one of my favorites. Well, all of them are my favorites, guys, but I really enjoy this one a lot. Everything's so magical. She's got something down here. It looks like stars. She's a fairy. There's her wings. She's got a bird right here. This one, she's just really cool. This is like Bohemian fairy something. Isn't she cool looking? I'd love these to turn into a diamond painting soon. And we got her again with the moons and everything, and lightning back there. There's her wings, the candles, all the beautiful flowers and everything in her hair. So gorgeous. Can't y'all wait? Okay, now these are the ones I know. Nova. I hadn't showed you guys all the insides, but they're just different. Oh, that's different inside. Sorry I didn't show the insides. This is rainbow. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Sorry, I didn't even think about showing the insides. I did polka dots. I did the other ones, but then I stopped. Okay, I think I showed you that, yeah. Okay, this is Nova. She's purple. Love Nova. I have her kitted up. She's so beautiful. All the purples and her ringlet. Her hair is so curly. Then we got Jules and Bern. And we got Sandy. Just got her. And those turtles are so cute, guys. And she's rainbowy. Got lots of the rainbow colors. She's got the rainbow inside, of course. Then last but not least, we got Sweet Tooth, y'all. Yes. I love Sweet Tooth. One of my favorite ones. And she's rainbow inside as well. So these carry your cards. So you got a place right here, place right here. So you can carry like probably 4 cards or more. But that's what I got from Myka Jelena. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for your nice comments, your sweet, kind words. Y'all are just, I'm telling you, I got the best subscribers. Best YouTube family. I hate saying subscribers. But I got the best YouTube family. And y'all always have my back. And I truly appreciate y'all. And yeah. So here we go. My collection of ID cards holders. But highly recommend it. She's got some cool stuff over there, guys. Go get them while you can. Some of her stuff I was like, holy crap. They're a lot of money, but that's original artwork. She signed it. All that. Her prints. She's got like color books, I think. Some stuff like that. So, thank you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys truly mean the world to me. For me, Mia, and Marshall, I'm praying, fingers crossed, that this video it's the long ways, not this way. You guys, I just did a diamond paint unboxing and it's not recording right. I don't know what to do, y'all. Hopefully this one works. If not, I'll do a whip and chat. I'm trying to get you a video up. And I love you guys. And thank you so much for the support. Thank you for all the new subscribers. YouTube family, welcome to the family. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.